Hello, this is my doctor for Untitled.gr, and today I have one more product from Xiaomi. It's the Xiaomi Mijia Smart Deerma water spray mop that came to me from Cafago, and I would really like to thank them. This is the box that came to me from the Cafago, from their European warehouse. And not to be from there, the price is really low. You can get it for about for less than 19 euros, so you won't have any problem with customs, at least here in Greece. The mop is really a very useful feature for the house, especially now with this COVID pandemic. To keep it clean and tidy, it will help you. So let's start unboxing and see what has come to me. Well, this is the mop. I have already opened it in order to see what's inside it. I'm not going to use it because it's for someone else, so I'm going to keep it clean. Now the features, it has 1.5 meters long rod. It can contain about 350 ml the water tank, and once it's filled with water and some cleaning liquid inside it, you can clean up to 100 square meters area. It's really very light. It weighs only 750 grams. Now the spring area that can clean, it can eject the water, is 95 centimeters wide, and it throws about 2 ml of water only, so it doesn't throw a lot of water. 1.2, I told you, it's the mop rod with ABS handle and good grip filling, steel hand, wearable, tough and durable, easy to load the water tank. This is with microfibers, which you can get extra from Cafago, and it connects through this very easily, like that, and it's ready to use it. Very economical, easy to use. It's from Xiaomi. It's ready to go. Doesn't have a lot of things to do about it and worry about it. And the price, as I have shown you, it's really very low. It's below 19 euros, so you can get it at a very good price from Cafago. Now, I know it's a short video, but at this kind of things, really, you don't have a lot of things to show. So, if you like my video, please press like and share. Join my YouTube channel and press this bell in order to be informed for anything new that comes out. And I'm going to show you. This is my doctor for iTechnews.gr. Bye.